Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Independent Charge Prahlad Singh Patel today said, Manipur's culture is unparalleled. He was attending that Culture Community Rally Meet 2019 at MSF DS Hall, Impal, organized by Manipur University. Speaking at the function, Patel appreciated the unique culture and identity of Manipur, saying he has not come across any culture as rich as Manipur. It is unparalleled, he said. Madaland Ambulance Service observed its third Foundation Day today at the Imperial Hall of Classic Grand, Chingmairong, Imphal. At the occasion, a new ambulance service equipped with advanced and basic life support system and a mobile application was launched. Students of Ananda Singha Higher Secondary School, New Chekon, today staged a sit-in protest in front of the school premises demanding the government to send required teachers of the school. The protest condemned the concerned authority failure to fulfill the demand. Humanism Foundation and 11 Gurkha Rifle jointly organized a mass awareness program on school development courses at Ngaikong Sifai Community Hall. Department of Horticulture and Soil Conservation Manipur organizes seed distribution function under Mission for the Integrated Development of Horticulture 2019-2020 at Farmers Training Hall, Khonghampat today. Mercy Tourism, who backed Best Smile in Miss Iowa 2019 in collaboration with Manipur Catholic Youth Organization and Iowa Manipur team, have jointly organized a tree plantation program at St. Paul's Retreat House, Manipuri, Imphal today.